and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. It's really fast and easy and I hope you guys enjoy it. And YouTube has made an update, so make sure that you hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, otherwise you won't be able to see my videos. And please make sure to subscribe down below and hit the like button. And let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So first, for my everyday makeup routine, I start with my eyebrows. I already did them. I used the Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefit in the shade 2, and I've already primed my face. I just used my usual Versali primer. So now I'm going to be doing foundation. You don't have to do foundation for an everyday makeup routine, but this is a natural foundation, the Marc Jacobs. Done my foundation, and now moving on to concealer. I'm just using the Shape Tape concealer, nothing new. I'm not going to put that much on since it is a more natural look, and then you can just cover up any blemishes you might have. To set it with the Cover FX powder. And then I'm just taking the extra powder that's on the sponge and pressing it into my face. So next, for bronzer, I just used the Hoola Light. It looks the most natural on my skin. And I'm just putting some on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead as well. I'm just wiping away the powder. And for highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. This is in the shade Lunch Money. And this looks really pretty, and it just looks like a glow from within. And typically for everyday highlighters, I don't like for it to look blinding. So I'm just putting it on the high points of my cheek with my finger. I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. So now moving on to eyes. If you wanted, you could use your bronzer and put it in the crease, and then maybe you could put your highlight on your eyelid. But I'm going to show you another option. So I custom made this palette from MAC. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going to just use an eyeshadow primer, because if you use a full coverage concealer, it'll give it away that you're wearing a lot of makeup, because you still want some of your veins to show through just so it looks more natural. And this is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I think you can get this for free from Sephora for 100 points. This has a little bit of a tint to it, so it's perfect. It will cover up just a little bit, but not too much. So I took the eyeshadows out of the palette so I can read you the names. So to set my primer, I'm going to take the shade Brulee from MAC. It's just a matte cream shade. In the crease, I'm putting the shade Soft Brown from MAC. You can use your bronzer if you want to. They both work the same. You want to go in with a light hand. This look would probably take me like 6 or 7 minutes to do in the morning, but it just takes more time to explain it. But this is a good option if you want a quick everyday makeup look. On my eyelid, I'm using the shade All That Glitters. And I'm not going to do my lower lash line because I just think it looks more natural if you don't do it, but you totally can if you want to. And for mascara, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang mascara. That's it for eyes. Moving on to lips. I don't really normally do anything for lips on natural days except for like chapstick or lip gloss. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is a really good lip gloss. It doesn't feel too like heavy and goopy. Is it for my everyday makeup routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because YouTube has made some changes, and the only way that you will be able to see my videos is if you hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. So please make sure to do that down below, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!